Okay guys, so I don't really know how to start this video. I've been sitting here just like looking at my camera for a good couple of minutes now, and I don't know, there's no easy way to start this video. So if you guys watched the last Vlogmas video that I posted, which was from days 2 and 3, at the end of it I was kind of like starting to talk about how I felt like everything was just going wrong and I was having a bad day. And in that video I also said, like, you know, I don't really like talking about this kind of stuff. I don't like promoting that type of attitude. But a lot of you guys actually responded and said that, you know, you don't mind seeing stuff like that because, like, that is real life. And more times than not, that's actually more relatable than, like, all of the happy and, like, really, really good stuff that YouTubers mostly share. And I know that one of the things that you guys value about my channel and the content that I share with you is the fact that I try to be as transparent as possible. And obviously, like, losing Ryan opened up, like, a whole nother side to my YouTube channel. And I feel like a lot of you guys, you know, tend to come to me more for advice and inspiration for things, which is why I choose to like really try to only promote positive stuff. But sometimes that's easier said than done, and it's not necessarily the most relatable thing. So I kind of just wanted to sit down and update you guys a little bit, because other than my 1-year grieving update video, I haven't really done videos like this, and I feel like I used to be really, really good about them. And I wasn't even sure if I wanted to do this because I'm actually going to be decorating my room for Christmas, and I wanted that to be a video. But I think I'm just going to do this one separate and then actually start another video of me just like decorating my room for Christmas, because I know that not everyone is interested in update videos and not everyone is interested in Christmas videos, and I'm just going to keep them completely separate. So the last time that I vlogged was Monday, and if you guys watched that video, then at the end of it I was like just saying that I had a really bad morning. And even other than like that clip that I put in there, I've just like really been in a rut these past couple days, probably for the last week or so, and I'm really trying not to have that attitude because I really want to enjoy Christmas this year, and I'm really trying to get myself in a good mood. But I've just really been having a hard time over the past like week or so. And on Monday, like I said, I was just having a really off morning, but I went to work, everything is fine. I babysat that night, you know, it ended up being an okay day. Tuesday morning, I was an absolute mess, so I started off the day by not vlogging. I babysat in the morning like I usually do. I went to work, and I'm not even kidding, guys, I cried for an hour at work and then ended up just going home. I was really just having a chill afternoon. I was so exhausted. I hadn't gotten more than like 4 hours of sleep each night for the past like week or so, so I was exhausted, and between work and babysitting and Vlogmas, I was just really juggling a lot. So I took the afternoon to just kind of do nothing. And then Tuesday night, if you guys follow me on Instagram, then you already know this. On Tuesday night, my grandma and my dad took Gino, who, if you guys don't watch my vlogs a lot, Gino's my grandma's dog. My grandma and my dad took him to a vet appointment just because he had been having a lot of like accidents, and he was going out like every 2 hours at night, and he started like peeing on the bed and on the floor multiple times at night. So my grandma and my dad took him to an appointment, and they actually found out that he had really bad diabetes, and they ended up having to put him down. And like I said, I'd just already been having a really bad week, and December last year was like really hard for me, and I was really trying to have a more positive attitude this year, but it just wasn't really going well. And then that happened. I don't know, I know that things happen to everyone, and life's not perfect, and things are just really unpredictable, but sometimes it just really feels like it's always one thing after another. I don't know, I hate saying stuff like this on my channel, but sometimes it really just feels like life keeps screwing you over. And no matter how hard you try, I just feel like bad things never really stop happening. And I know that's not a good mindset, and most of the time I don't talk like that on my channel because I really don't want to encourage that behavior, and I want my channel to be a place that you guys can come to when you need to be encouraged and you need to be put into a better mood. And for the most part I try to do that, but I also feel like it's important for me to stay as transparent and real as possible, and this is me being transparent. So today's December 6th. Ryan and I's anniversary is December 10th, and I have no clue what to even expect. Last year I remember it was more okay than I was expecting it to be. I don't know, it's really weird for me right now because I don't feel like Christmas is coming up, even though I listen to Christmas music all the time and I see the decorations and the trees and the lights, and you know, I'm doing Vlogmas. It just doesn't feel like Christmas is coming up. And I remember when I was little, and not even when I was little, but like a couple years ago, like just Christmas time had such this, like, this is gonna sound so corny, but like magical feeling almost, and like hearing Christmas music like always made me feel like so happy. And now I hear it and it's like I just feel like there's this barrier. And I feel like I've kind of talked about this, maybe not recently, but I just feel like with my emotions, like everything is just so plateaued. Like I feel like when I get excited about something, I really don't get that happy about it. And when something bad happens, I feel like I'm not really that sad. I just feel like I'm at this constant state. Even though I can get excited, obviously, and, you know, I'll cry and I'll feel sad, I just feel like nothing's ever as extreme as it used to be. I don't know. And I don't think that it's because I'm in denial about, like, the holidays and that I don't want them to happen because Ryan's not here. I just really think that it's because my emotions have just, like, plateaued. Like, I'm just at this constant state of, like, okay. And this year overall, I'm definitely a lot more excited for the holidays. Like, last year, I don't remember Thanksgiving. I don't really remember Christmas or anything about the holidays. It's, like, this big, like, blackout in my memory. And overall, this year, I am a lot happier and I am more excited. It's just still hard, which, like, to you guys is obviously going to be understandable, and I know that you guys are really supportive. So I don't know if it's December, I don't know if it's because in the back of my mind I'm, you know, constantly thinking about the fact that Ryan and I's anniversary is coming up. I don't really know what it is, so that's why I've been a little MIA on YouTube and Instagram. I don't know, it's okay to not be okay, and some days are better than others, but that's just life, whether you're going through something bad or not. It's all about balance though, and I do think that it's important to have bad days because then you're able to appreciate the good ones even more. So yeah, I just needed a couple days off. I needed some time to not really do anything. I called off of work today, if I'm being completely honest with you. I just really didn't think that I could do it today. I didn't want to deal with customers. I didn't want to put on a happy face and smile and pretend like everything was okay, because it's not. Like I said, I just needed time for myself, and I want you guys to remember that there is absolutely nothing wrong with putting yourself first sometimes, and I know that I can really struggle with that. I always want to do whatever I can for others, and sometimes I spread myself too thin and then I just burn out. Do something for yourself when you're done watching this video. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. I'm gonna decorate my room for Christmas. Hopefully that puts me in a better mood. Leave a comment with some type of words of encouragement, because I know that I need it and I'm sure a lot of you guys do too. So that's all that I have for you. This was super random, probably not that long, but just some stuff that I, like I said, wanted to get off my chest. So thank you for listening to me vent for a couple minutes, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.